Assalamu alaikum. For everybody who's asking for my social media handle, you can find me on YouTube. I do regular vlogs in Urdu and in English. So you can find me on YouTube with the same name, Farina Siddiqui. I'm on Instagram. I also am on Twitter and on Facebook. You can find me with the same name on all these social media outlets. I'm also putting my social media handle links into the comments below. So tag me, follow me, support me, and also let me know what do you want to hear and how do you want me to actually speak about certain topics. And trust me, when you wear that hijab and speaking in public, that makes a big difference. So I think this is the best time to be a Muslima and a fearless Muslima. So get on your speaking horse and ride along with me and many other Muslim activists who are actually getting on social media to spread the message of love, spread the message of truth, and spread the message of the rightly guided people that actually were part of our Muslim history. Inshallah, see you there. Assalamu alaikum.